Let's do this.
A month without uploading, he comes back with a tag that no one even tagged him in. He's not a challenge to drag, so prepare for an attack, and by that I mean cringe, because this motherfucker's about to get dragged by his fringe. First things first, you're freaking
Daddy or
actually cool. It's weird. You look like a noodle. You got hair that was cool in 2007, and wet you just look like a poodle.
Dad.
Hobbit. Throw in a really annoying posh voice, and yup, that's Dan. You're what would happen if Winnie the Pooh fucked Slender Man. You procrastinate making videos because being judged is scary. So close to being forgotten, the hate's imaginary. The only reason you get views is you're another white guy that people ship with his friend because they think it's kawaii. Oh,
Reasons why Dan's a fan.
I'll give you some. You never tweet, you ever read, all you do is cry, sleep, you drift to shit, post them, no originality, you promise that you from the law degree university, and then nothing embarrassing was from your but you just delete. You were vegan, like we weeks on what you missed to meet. What? I'm so impressed by your moral integrity. Try so hard to be peaceful and diplomacy, become like toast without someone saying you're problematic. I could go on, there's more if I check. There's more things on this list than chins on your neck. On your birthday, you joked you were a quarter way to death 100, yeah. When getting out of bed makes you out of breath. So your celebrity crush was J-Law, but now it's Evan P. What the fuck even is your sexuality? It's hard to put you in a box when you keep it so blurry. I think it's just to hide that you're secretly a furry. I'm joking, obviously. Okay, that went deep. Repress it? Yup. Before I start crying, let's wrap this shit up. I'm gonna go and masturbate, then cry into a slice of pizza. Shout out to the other YouTubers, especially Ryan Heger. A cringe compilation mixed with cultural appropriation met with no depreciation. It's the YouTube Nation. Click subscribe if you want to watch 4 videos a year. To see my last one from 10 years ago, just click over here. So leave a comment with your reaction. You can call me a liar, because you just witnessed the roast of Dan is not on fire.